Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing a quick, fresh look at MagicSwear.com in 2026, and honestly, there are some pretty big concerns you should know about before ordering. So MagicSwear is one of those drop shipping stores selling shapewear and intimates that look amazing in ads, especially on social media. But customer feedback tells a very different story. First off, product quality. A lot of buyers say the sizing runs extremely small, and the material can feel itchy or stiff. On top of that, many people report the shaping effect just doesn't match the promises, especially if you're expecting real support or lift. Then there's customer service and returns. And this is where things get messy. Even though it says hassle-free returns, customers report slow or no responses, international return shipping costs, and sometimes only partial refunds instead of full returns. Shipping also takes a while, often 2 to 4 weeks. Overall, based on consistent complaints, this is definitely a high-risk buy. I'd think twice before spending your money here.